Hello! Very quick, I wanted to show you this cool new product that a friend came up with. It is a capo mount that also has a magnetic mount for your phone. So, connect it to your headstock or use as a capo. Novel concept. And put it on just like that and just readjust this so you can still read your tabs. Might have it set up with a chromatic tuner right now. But that way I can just use this for my lessons, something like that. It's really cool, but it works really well on acoustic, which I kind of knew it would. But I want to show you what else I've played with it on. So, we got that, but we also have my little traveler guitar. I play this in the car when I'm waiting on kids to come out of soccer practice or something like that. Also took it on a trip recently, but because of how the capo mount is designed, I can clip it, on the body, just like this. I can turn this up, and now I can read it like this. But I can also use a tuner on here, which has been something difficult to do on this guitar because it doesn't make a lot of noise when you strum it, but it's still tuning the guitar. So that I just attached like this on the back of it. The fact that that works is going to be less surprising how the next one works. But Strandberg guitar, and this isn't one I didn't think it would work on, but once I know it worked on that, I know where to find a way on that. And you've got a little headstock here, so that clips right in there. The spring is tightened up, but it holds it. Still holding my phone. Between all of these, I can easily adjust it. So I've been playing like this for a couple weeks now. Really like it. It's helped me tremendously. I'm using tabs more than I ever have. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. A couple of different guitars and how to use it. I try to come up with the unusual use cases, but bottom line is it's a great product. It works awesome, and FastCap did a great job.